Look at this water. Green, cloudy, almost swampy. Now look at this. Crystal clear, sparkling, inviting. Same pool, same hot tub, just a few smart tricks apart. If you own a pool or a hot tub, you already know the enemy, algae. And in scorching summer heat, algae doesn't creep in slowly. It explodes overnight. One day your water is perfect. The next morning it looks like a swamp. Today, I'm showing you the easiest, most affordable maintenance tricks to fight algae before it fights you. No expensive weekly treatments, no guesswork. Just simple steps that actually work in extreme heat. Quick safety note before we start. We are using standard pool and hot tub chemicals today. Always read product labels, always wear gloves when handling chemicals, never mix chemicals together directly, and always keep these products away from children and pets. Now stick with me through this entire video. Do not skip ahead, because the step-by-step section is where the real transformation happens. And if you miss the order, you'll miss the results. If you want more simple hacks like this, hit that subscribe button right now before we dive in. Let's fight this algae together. So why does algae explode specifically in scorching heat? Think about it like this. Algae is basically a tiny plant, and plants love three things: heat, sunlight, and still water. Summer gives it all three at once. Pool water that sits at 78 degrees in spring can jump past 85 or 90 degrees in peak summer heat. That warm water becomes the perfect breeding ground. Add in direct sunlight beating down for 10 or 12 hours a day, and you've basically built algae a 5-star hotel. Now add poor circulation. Maybe you skipped a day of running the pump. Maybe your hot tub jets weren't cycling long enough. That stagnant pocket of water is exactly where algae takes hold first. Once it starts, it multiplies fast. Algae can double its population in a matter of hours during peak heat. That's why a pool that looked fine on Friday can look like a science experiment by Sunday. The good news? Once you understand why it happens, stopping it becomes simple. Let's talk about what you actually need. And I promise, this is budget friendly. First, a reliable test kit or test strips. This tells you your chlorine level, your pH, and your alkalinity in seconds. Second, standard pool or hot tub chlorine, whether that's tablets, granules, or liquid shock, depending on your system. Third, a bottle of algicide made for your pool or spa type. Fourth, a pool brush or hot tub surface brush for physically breaking up any early algae buildup. Fifth, a skimmer net for removing debris that feeds algae growth. And sixth, if you have a pool, a working filter and pump system that's actually running enough hours per day. That's it. No fancy robotic gadgets required. Just consistent basics used the right way. Total cost for these maintenance supplies usually stays well under $50, and most of them last you the entire season. Let's go a little deeper, Professor Mode, just for a minute. Algae needs 3 ingredients to thrive: heat, light, and nutrients. In scorching summer temperatures, your water heats up fast, and warm water holds less dissolved oxygen and breaks down chlorine faster. That means your sanitizer is working overtime, and if you're not topping it off, it burns out quickly, sometimes within hours in extreme heat. Sunlight adds another layer. Ultraviolet rays actually degrade chlorine molecules, so the same sun that's giving you a tan is quietly destroying your water's defense system. And nutrients? Those come from sweat, sunscreen, leaves, dust, and organic debris. All of that feeds algae, like fertilizer feeds grass. Combine fast-degrading chlorine, intense heat, and constant nutrient input, and you get the perfect algae storm. Understanding this is key because it means prevention isn't a one-time task. It's a daily rhythm, especially in peak summer. All right, let's get into the actual routine. This is the part you asked for, so let's break it down clearly. Step 1, test your water every single morning during heat waves. Use your test strips, check chlorine, pH, and alkalinity before anyone gets in. Step 2, keep your chlorine level in the proper range consistently. Don't let it dip low overnight, because that's when algae sneaks in. Step 3, run your pump and filter longer during hot months. Aim for at least 8 to 10 hours a day for pools. And make sure hot tub jets cycle regularly to avoid stagnant zones. Step 4, brush the walls and floor of your pool or the surface of your hot tub at least twice a week, even if you don't see visible algae yet, because early algae spores are invisible to the eye. Step 5, shock your pool or spa weekly during extreme heat. This boosts your sanitizer and kills off anything trying to take hold. Step 6, add a maintenance dose of algicide once a week as a preventive layer. This is your insurance policy against sudden blooms. Step 7, skim debris daily, leaves, bugs, and dust or algae food, and removing them cuts off its fuel source. Step 8, rinse or backwash your filter regularly. A clogged filter can't clean your water properly, and dirty filters actually help algae hide and multiply. Step 9, cover your pool or hot tub when not in use. This blocks sunlight, reduces heat gain, and keeps debris out, all 3 at once. Step 10, check your water balance after heavy pool use or hot tub parties. More bodies means more sweat, oils, and lotion residue, which throws off your chemical balance fast. Follow these 10 steps consistently, and you're not just cleaning your water, you're building a shield against algae before it even starts. Now let's talk results. When these steps are followed consistently through a heat wave, the difference is dramatic. Cloudy green water becomes clear within days, sometimes faster with a proper shock treatment. Surfaces that felt slippery from early algae film become smooth again after brushing in balanced chlorine levels. That musty, swampy smell disappears completely once circulation and sanitizer levels are corrected. And most importantly, the water stays that way because you're not reacting to algae anymore, you're preventing it. Think about the difference between a pool you're afraid to invite guests to and a pool that looks like a resort. That's the real transformation these tricks deliver, and it costs almost nothing compared to professional algae removal services or full water replacement. A few important safety reminders before you try this yourself. Never mix chlorine and algicide directly together. Always add them separately with time in between. Always test your water before and after treatment, especially after shocking. Keep children and pets out of the water until chlorine levels return to a safe swimming range. Store all chemicals in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and away from each other. Wear gloves when handling concentrated chemicals and avoid inhaling powder or fumes. For long-term prevention, stay consistent. Don't wait until you see green water to act. Prevention is always cheaper and easier than treatment. Consider running your pump or jets even on days you don't use the pool or hot tub. Stagnant water is algae's best friend. And finally, during extreme heat waves, increase your testing frequency. What worked last week might not be enough this week. So there you have it. Simple, budget-friendly, and effective tricks to fight algae in your pool or hot tub, even during the most scorching summer heat. No mystery chemicals, no complicated equipment, just consistency and the right routine. Test daily, circulate properly, brush regularly, shock weekly, and protect your water before algae ever gets a chance to take hold. Your pool or hot tub can look like a 5-star resort all summer long if you stick to this simple system. In the next video, I'm going to reveal an even deeper trick for stubborn algae that refuses to go away. So make sure you don't miss it. If this video helped you, smash that like button right now. Drop a comment and tell me if you're dealing with a pool or a hot tub. I rate every single one. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell so you never miss the next hack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.